Jai Shri Gurudev. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ravi N, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, BGS IMS Chikbalapur. I am here to explain the problem number 9 in income tax subject, which is meant for BBA students as well as BCom students of Bangalore University and Bangalore North University. So in this problem comes under in the head income from salary. So problem is like this: compute gross salary of Mr. Q for the assessment year 2019-20. So Mr. Q is the assessee in this question, and you have to compute taxable income from salary for the assessment year 2019-20. So let me explain one by one. Basic pay rupees 15,000 per month. So basic pay is fully taxable. So 15,000 per month in the sense 15,000 into 12. And nextly, bonus equals to 2 months basic. So bonus is equals to 2 months of basic. 2 months of basic in the sense, so 15,000 per month is the basic pay into 2, that is 15,000 into 2, totally 30,000 will be the bonus, taxable amount of bonus. And next to company contribution. Company pays 15% of salary to RPF. RPF in the sense recognized provident fund. So company pays 15% of salary to the employees recognized provident fund. So how it is taxable in the sense, excess of 12% of salary is taxable, or up to 12% of salary is exempted and balance is taxable. So here 15% of salary is given, so that up to 12% is exempted and the balance 3% is taxable. 3% of salary is taxable. That means excess of 12% of salary is taxable. And next to fees rupees 60,000 per annum. So fees fully taxable, per annum is given, so that 60,000 it is fully taxable. And next to commission at 5% on a turnover of 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs is the turnover made by the employee. For that they are getting 5% commission, so that 5% of 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs into 5 lakh will be the commission amount, taxable commission. And next to advance salary, 3 months basic. So advance salary is equals to 3 months of basic salary. So basic salary is 15,000 per month, so that 3 months 15,000 into 3, 45,000 will be the taxable amount of advance salary. Next to arrears salary at rupees 2,000 per month for 30 months. Arrears salary means any amount of salary received during the relevant previous year related to earlier previous year, either from present or past employer, is treated as arrears salary. So if any employee receives an amount of salary from his past or present employer which is not paid earlier, okay, that is arrears of salary. So here arrears of salary is 2,000. The employer is not paid for 30 months. That amount paying now 2,000 per month, that is 2,000 into 30 will be the taxable arrears of salary. And next fixed medical allowances. Fixed medical allowances is fully taxable, 3,000 into 12. 3,000 per month is given, so that you have to multiply with it all. 3,000 into 12 will be the taxable amount of medical allowances. And next warden allowances, it is fully taxable amount, so 600 per month is given, 600 into 12. And entertainment allowances, it is also fully taxable. For the government employee, it is comes under deduction under section 16, but the question regarding non-government employee, so that it is fully taxable but does not comes under deduction under section 16. So 1,000 per month is given, 1,000 into 12 will be the taxable amount of entertainment allowances. And next children hostel allowances, rupees 1,500 per month is given for 3 children. Okay, hostel allowances 300 per month for maximum of 2 children for 1 annum is exempted. but here 1500 per month for 3 children is given. The calculation will be 1500 into 3 into 12, and exemption will be 300 into 2 into 12. 7200 will be the exempted amount of education, children hostel allowances. And next, transport allowances, rupees 2500 per month is given. So transport allowances is a partial taxable amount and partially exempted amount. So 1600 per month is exempted. 1600 per month is exempted. Transport allowances 2500 per month is given. In that 1600 per month is exempted and the balance amount is taxable. And lastly, service of sweeper paid by the company. Service of sweeper has to pay by the employee, but that is paid by the company. The obligation of the employee is met by the employer is fully taxable. So 800 per month, 800 into 12 will be the taxable amount of service of sweeper. Okay, so this is a question. So now let me explain the answer. So first you have to write the heading, that is computation of taxable salary income, and the assessee name. Assessee name in this question is Mr. Q, and the assessment year 2019-20, and the residential status is resident, previous year 2018-19. And the first point is basic salary. Basic salary 15,000 per month is given. So 15,000 into 12, it will be 1,80,000. And bonus 2 months basic salary. So it is equals to 2 months of basic salary. Per 1 month basic salary is 15,000 into 2, sorry, here 12 is mentioned, so only 2 you have to consider. Okay, 15,000 into 2, 30,000. And next, employer contribution to RPF in excess of 12% of salary. Employer contribution to the RPF account in excess of 12% only, it's taxable. So excess is 3%, 2,80,000. How comes this 2,80,000 andre? So for the calculation of RPF, you should taken into consideration basic salary, dearness allowances, dearness pay and commission. So in this question, so basic salary is 1,80,000, dearness allowances is nil, and DP, dearness pay, is also nil, and commission is 1 lakh. So I have shown here the calculations. RPF salary includes bracketally basic plus commission. Basic 1,80,000 and commission is 1 lakh. So it will be 2,80,000. For the calculation of RPF, 2,80,000 is the meaning of salary. Okay, so here is the calculations. So 2,80,000 is into 3%. 2,80,000 into 3%, that will be 2,80,000 into 3%, that will be 8,400. That is taxable amount of RPF. And next, fees. So fees is fully taxable. Lump sum amount is given 60,000, fully taxable. Next, commission. Based on 20 lakhs of sales target, 5% is commission. 20 lakhs is the sales, 5% is the commission rate. 20 lakhs into 5%, 1 lakh is the commission amount. Advance salary. Advance salary is also fully taxable amount. It is equals to 3 months of basic salary 15,000 per month. So advance salary is equals to 3 months of basic. So 15,000 into 3, 45,000. Arrears of salary. So arrears of salary is 2,000 per month. For 30 months he received arrears of salary. So 2,000 into 30, it is 60,000. And next, medical allowances. So medical allowance is also fully taxable. So there is 3,000 per month into 12, you have to calculate. 36,000 is the taxable medical allowances. And warden allowances is fully taxable. 600 per month is given. You have to multiply with 12, you will get a 7,200 per annum. Entertainment allowances is fully taxable. That is 1,000 per month is given. Multiply with 12, 12,000 you will get a per annum. And children hostel allowances, already explained you. Hostel allowances, actual amount of hostel allowances is 1,500. So 1,500 for 3 children for 12 months. So it is 54,000. And exemption is 300 per child, maximum of 2 children and up to 12 months. So 300 into 2 into 12, 7,200. So if you deduct 7,200 from the actual, you'll get a 46,800 as a taxable hostel allowances. And next to transport allowances. So transport allowance 2,500 per month is given. For 1 year it will be 30,000 rupees per annum, and if you deduct the exemption, 1,600 per month is exempted. 1,600 into 12, so you'll get a 19,200. So if you deduct 19,200 from the 30,000, you'll get 10,800 as a taxable amount of transport allowances. And finally, service of sweeper. Service of sweeper is the obligation of the employee, but that amount is paid by the employer, so that is fully taxable. 800 per month is given. For 12 months it will be 9,600. If you add all the amounts, so you'll get a gross salary, that is 6,05,800. okay, 6,05,800 is the gross salary. So you can stop here only, or else you can continue with the net salary or taxable salary. So they asked you only calculate gross salary, but you can continue with the net salary also, or taxable income from salary. So in order to get a net salary or taxable income from salary, you have to deduct the deductions under section 16. There are 3 deductions under section 16. One is standard deduction, that is 40,000, and entertainment allowances is applicable only for government employee, so that you are taken as nil because the employee is a non-government employee. And professional tax paid, professional tax is not given in the question, so that it is taken as a nil. So total deduction is 40,000. So if you deduct the 40,000 from 6,05,800, so you'll get a 5 lakh, you'll get 5,65,800 as a taxable income from salary. So this is the answer. I hope you understand. Thank you all. Jai Shri Gurudev.